Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Before I go ahead with my session on SAP Script, I wanted to take a look on the YouTube page. So friends, if you are watching my videos on YouTube, then you need to do one change here. There is a safety mode filter in the bottom of the YouTube page. The moment you click on this, if it's on, then there is a possibility that you might not get the notification of all my videos, or if you go to the subscription page of my YouTube channel, you might not see all the videos. So it's better you click on this safety filter and put it in off mode so that you can see all the videos available. So this is one important change. So right now I'm having so many videos currently working on the forms. So once the forms are done and you are good with all the videos, means if you have already gone through all the videos, then you can say that you are an ABAP consultant for sure, and you can work with the traditional ABAP, not the new dimensional object oriented, but yes, the traditional ABAP. So it's an important change here. You should go to your YouTube page and put the safety filter edge off so that you can see all the videos. So maybe you guys want to put the video on pause for a second and then do this change because it's important for you. Okay, so in my last two videos, part 1 and part 2 for SAP script, I created a sample form and then I created a print program. So by now you are aware that there would be a print program and there would be a form, and then both are interlinked to each other with the help of the function modules, that is open form, smart form, write form, end form and close form. Okay, I also gave you a demo that how to call these function modules and what is the use of the function modules. So now let me just go to the SAP screen, and if you remember, this is the form. Okay, this was the print program. So in the display form right now we are writing only one line item here, but what you can do, if you are having multiple line items, you can put a loop here and then keep on writing the multiple lines there. And then the next important thing is how to debug a form. So let's say this is a form. So you need to go to SE71, give the form name, go to utilities, activate debugger like this. So SAP script form debugger was activated. If you run this program now and give a sales order number and execute, you will get this kind of pop-up. If you hit on OK, it will go to the SAP script debugger. This is not a ABAP debugger, this is SAP script debugger. So what you need to do, you need to copy and paste the variables here, and then you will get the value like this. And of course your F5, F6 and single step, that is F5 execute is F8, continue is F7. So it will be working here. This pointer will go to different lines. So normally when I do it, you can see the pointer is going to different things. So I generally go with the single step option. I just keep my patience and then I debug a SAP script. So this is going to help you in terms of identifying any variable which you want to extract from the standard script, and then you want to use it in your program or in your form for any other change. So this is how you execute debug SAP script. So let me just come out of it. There is another way of doing this, is rs tx debug. Execute this program. So if you do an RSTX star, then you will get a lot of programs related to SAP script and forms. RSTX debug, not DE, it's debug. Directly execute this and form debugger is activated. So basically both are same things. Either you go to SE71 and then do utilities and activate debugger, or you go to SE38 and give the program RSTX debug and execute. So both works similar. Okay, so this is how you activate the debugger of SAP script. This could be an interview question for you, so just mind it. The other important thing is, actually there are many, but I'm just thinking what should I tell next. Okay, let me just go to the form and let's do a change here. Let's go to character format. As of now there is no character format existing. Let's make a character format C1 and let's make it like this. Is going to make my character as bold. Okay, now save it. Click on the font, make it bold. You can choose bold, italic, underline, whatever you want, and then go back, save. Now go to Windows. Okay, go to main window, go to change editor, and here if you press 2 times comma, it will create a space. So we wanted to create a space. Not this, I'm putting single inverted comma. I have to put comma here. This is one. Second thing, if I want to use a character format, then do like this, in less than greater than. My character format is C1, and then again close this and C1 like this. Go back, save, activate. You can do also syntax check, no error, check text. So it will check all the texts. Syntactically correct. Activate this. Let's go back to the program, main program. That is our print program. Execute this print program now. Since SAP script debugger was on, so this pop-up comes. Cancel it. You can see this is bold now. Okay, this should not have come, and you can see this is coming as bold. This is the character format. So let me just go back to the form. Okay, I think I'm not able to get the proper syntax. Let me just pause the video for a moment. Okay, I think I'm using the wrong syntax. Let me just go back again. we just need to close it like this. Yeah, now it's better. So we can close it just by putting a slash. So you can see this is coming as bold. You can also see there is a space. So you can just double comma means space. You can just keep on inserting double commas, set of double commas based on your requirement. So that way you can make the alignment here. So you can see it's very easy. I'm not doing anything special. Okay. Now next thing, there is an important T code SE78. SE78 is basically to upload the graphics or logo. So what you need to do, you need to create a bitmap. So stored on document server means on your desktop. So create a bitmap image on your desktop, black and white or color, then just upload it here. Import. Okay. So this is basically to import the scripts. And next is we want to see the existing logos. So SE78 is basically the transaction to import the logo, and only if the logo exists in the database which is imported via SE78, then only you can call it on your script. So enjoy, let's select enjoy and see a print preview. So this is how it will look. If we talk about color, this is how it will look. Okay, so let's try to import this. So I'm going back to my form again. SE71, change setting form painter, graphical form painter. Click on the layout, do a right click here, create graphic, and here it will ask for the image. Select the image which you want to import. So I want to import hello world. Where is hello world? Oh sorry, enjoy. I want to color. Execute. It's imported here now, and then setting form painter, it's gone. The logo is also imported now. Form, activate, go to your program, execute, print preview, and you can see the logo here. So this is how you import the logo in SAP script. This is your form. Let me just quickly see. If any other important transaction which I should explain here. Okay, so leave it now. Another thing is, since SAP script is, as I said, it's rather a classical concept. So if you want to change this to SmartForm, so what is SmartForm, don't worry, but if you want to change the it to SmartForm, you can go to utilities. One second. Okay, there is, so let's copy this. There is a function module SE37 fp underscore migrate underscore form. Execute this. And give the name of the SAP script here. Execute again. So it will basically convert your SAP script into SmartForm. So sometime what happens, you want to retain the layout because layout is very complex. So you can use this function module fp migrate form and convert your SAP script into SmartForm. So anyway, I will be taking a session on SmartForms, so I'll explain SmartForms in more detail, but for now you should understand that how it happens. Okay, and the transaction for SmartForm is, let me just go to a new session. Okay, maybe here. SmartForms. So taking time, let me just put it on pause. Okay, so this is how the SmartForms transaction looks like. If you go to utilities, migration, import SAP script form, this actually calls the same function module which I was just showing you. So you need to give a form name here, and then utilities, migration, import SAP script form, then give the form name SAP script here, execute. So basically it will start converting that SAP script into SmartForm. You can see the conversion is going on now. Here I forgot to provide the form name, SmartForm name. So let's, same thing, you can see the same window coming. If I hit OK, the same process would start, and you can see this is converted to SmartForm now. So this is how a SmartForm looks like, but don't worry about it for now. I'm not going to save it. And if you hit OK, same thing again. So go back here. So this is how you can convert SAP script to SmartForm using the function module or in the SmartForms navigation menu by clicking on utilities. Okay, now the other thing, as I was explaining earlier, that we generally try to avoid creating a SAP script from scratch. Instead, what we do, we copy the standard SAP script and then we make the changes based on our need. So that is the next task which we are going to perform. Okay, so if you remember, let's go to NACE transaction, billing, output type was RD00. Click on position, processing routine. This is my SAP script. Copy this, SE71, utilities, copy from client. Okay, here you have to give the form name, which form you want to copy, and give a new form name in which you want to copy. Okay, don't select the original language only, you want to copy it all the possible languages so that you can choose English out of it, otherwise it will be again copied into German. So you have to give the source client as 000. Now if you go to system status, you can see the program name is rstxfc copy. So again this program is called via menu, but if I go to SE38 rstx, so this program is available here, rstxfc copy. F copy. If I execute, I get the same thing. So I'm just trying to give you an example how you can correlate the things. Okay, don't select original language, hit OK. So this is how your SAP script would be copied, standard one into custom. Hit OK. So it's copied into different languages, which is fine. Now if I go to SE71 and give the new SAP script name here with G and language E, and if I hit on change, I can see it's coming into English now. Earlier it was into German. If I just open the original form, it's all in German. Okay, so we have copied this into English, and then let's go inside the form, activate. It's activated. Now I'm going to NACE again, select billing, output type RD00, processing routine, hit on change button and change the form name as Z. So this is how it happens in real time. So basically we copy the form and we change the same in the NACE configuration. This is a customizing request. Earlier whatever we were doing was a part of workbench request. This is a part of customizing request. So whatever change we will make now, it should display. So anyway, the changes are saved, customizing is done. Go back. Now if I go to VF03 and go to issue output, okay, it came, and click on print preview. So basically the form which is called now is the form which we have assigned in the NACE transaction. So let's wait for the print preview. Okay, so this is the form, but again this is the custom form now, means G form. So let's go back. Change the form, setting form painter, graphical form painter, hit on layout, right click, go to main window. Let's try to make some change in this. I think because this okay, so the important thing here is, since this form originally existed in the German language, we need to make the changes in German language itself. So if you hit on the change button and go to setting form, enter this, hit on the layout, and now you can make the changes here. Create graphic. Now you can import a graphic, color, enjoy. So graphic is now inserted here. Something like this. Form, activate. Now if you go back, you can see the graphic is inserted in English now. So, but this is how you make the change. You have to make the change in the original language, and then so system doesn't allow it basically to make the change in the English language. Whatever change you want, you have to do it in the German language itself. So you have to change all the text and everything there. You can see the logo coming in the standard form now. So this is how we customize it. So what we will do in the next session, we will do a deep dive what all elements available in the form SAP script, and then how to use a subroutine inside the SAP script, and then we will create a custom output type. These 3-4 things we will do, and then we will be done with the SAP script. I believe that will be enough for now. So thank you guys for being with me, and please have some time and visit my website sap-technical.weebly.com. My old website is also running for now, that is latest ABAP, but I have given the link of my new website, so this is more updated. Here I have given my first videos link, here I have given my latest videos link. So whenever you visit this website, you can see the latest video available here. So even if you don't get a notification from YouTube, you can visit this website and just have a look at it on the latest video. And if you like the video, if you are able to understand the concept of SAP script, please don't forget to hit the like button in YouTube. So thank you guys, and see you again.